What's up? So I have this cool setup going on that I made for my C4 synth and the controller, but I ended up running into some problems. This is Velcroed here, but it's super flimsy, and this is a little bit flimsy too. And let me show you why. So I'm just going to take this off. So here's the MIDI controller for it. And what I did was I made little risers using pieces of wood. Velcro's really great. Okay. So I tried using these pieces of wood, and because I don't have the room here for another metal pedal riser, and this is okay, but this one is just not. This is very problematic because when I step on it, as you saw, you know, once that's on there, there's a lot of play because just that much at this end makes it quite big at that end. So I was like, okay, what can I do? Can I make it out of metal? Can I use a big piece of wood? And then I thought, man, I should just like figure out how to do some 3D printing. See, that's just made out of wood. So I was like, okay, what can I do? So I got online and I Googled free 3D modeling software, and I found one. This is called SketchUp. And so I took measurements of what I would need in millimeters. And then I learned how to use this program. I'm just like, this is not the design, but you can see, you can like draw lines and draw more lines, and it hooks together and whatever, right? Okay, so then I don't have a 3D printer yet. So I found a company locally that will 3D print any STL model files. And here's the finished product. So that's gonna sit right there. Oh, baby. And then, of course, I will apply the Velcro, and that is gonna be amazing. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get Velcro on and see how this fits together. All right, look at that. That is so much better. I'm so stoked. Yes, everything is nice and tight, nice and clean. And you see I bought this USB-C MIDI cable, or USB mini-B mini cable that's got this left angle, and then it comes back through here, and then it's got a down angle for this. And I actually had that cable custom made. It was not cheap, but it's perfect for my needs. So now I have the complete pedal board. So I'm going to start doing pedal demos here now that the board is in its final construction. We're going to start with as simple as Polytune, and then we're just going to move through the signal chain. So be sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more goodness. All right, 3D print your cool stuff. It's amazing. Peace.